Welcome to WebStyle Plus. HEIC, High Efficiency Image Container, is the default format for storing images on Apple devices. HEIC is known for its high compression ratio and storage efficiency while preserving image quality. But its support is limited across devices and applications. In this video, I will show you how to convert HEIC images in Windows. You can use a free program called iMazing. It looks like this. This is the app. Drop HEIC images in this program, and from here you will be able to choose the output format from JPEG and PNG. So these are the settings basically for photo output and for video output. We have got this image, so we'll convert this HEIC image into JPEG image. Click convert button. Select the path. And the file was converted here. And it's JPEG. You can batch convert HEIC images using this little utility. Then you can also find the relevant app in Microsoft Store and use that. To do that, right click on the HEIC file, open with, select search the Microsoft Store. And here it is. Let's select this one, Real HEIC to JPEG Converter. This program is free, this one is free. There are many apps to do just that. After it's installed, launch the program, drag and drop images here. Select the output format, PNG, JPEG, JPG, bitmap. Select output folder. Selecting this folder, you can choose compression quality, hit convert button. And the files were converted in this folder. And these are JPEGs. There is another way. I have got this program installed, Krita. It's available for Mac, for Windows, and for Linux. Right click the file and open it with Krita. You can use this software to export HEIC image into desired format. File save as. Here you can select PNG or JPEG and save the file. Or you can select export from file and export it in any format that you like. And here is the exported image. So this is how you can convert HEIC images into JPEGs or PNG files. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.